Want to reset your end-to-end encrypted backup without any password on WhatsApp on your iPhone? This can help if you're having issues with your backup or want to start fresh. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the settings icon below. Then tap Chats. Next, tap Chats Backup. Here, you will see an option called End-to-End Encrypted Backup. Tap on it. Look at the bottom. Tap Turn Off. Here, you need to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, then tap I forgot my password. Now here, it will ask you to scan your Face ID if you set your Face ID as the lock screen. Tap Allow and scan your face. If you set a passcode as the lock screen, then it will ask you to enter the passcode. And that's it. Your encrypted backup setup is disabled. This is how you can reset your end-to-end encrypted backup without any password on WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you have any questions, then please write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.